cake. My name is Asma and today I'm with my niece and nephew,
Iqra
and
Ali.
These guys are my cousin's kids and we're going to have so much fun today making mini monster cakes for Halloween. And these guys are already dressed up and I'm wearing Iqra's costume right now and I'm Batgirl. And what are you, Iqra? Whoop! I almost dropped her. You're a dragon and what are you? Both dragons. I wish I had a dragon costume. These are awesome. So today we're going to be making little mini monsters and we're going to start by using a big 9x13 cake for the bottom. And then I also made, they're covered in saran wrap right now, little circle cakes that I got from a wilting pan that will be perfect for the top of the cake. I think you guys might want to take off your little hats though, because you're not going to be able to see. Me too. Wow. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this out of the pan. The adults will have to do this part because you need a knife. Be careful, Emily. I'm going to take this out. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to level this off. It's a very big knife. Be very careful with
That is really sharp.
I know.
I thought that you were going to use this soft.
But it's such a big cake that we need a big knife. Ooh, look at the inside.
That looks so pretty. It looks like it's rainbow colored.
I know.
It's
So
pretty. I don't really want to eat it.
now I'm going to take this circle cutter, which is the exact same size as our pan over here. These will be the bottoms of our monsters. And I'm going to cut out as many as I can out of our cake. Yeah.
Okay, so we do that.
There we go. Okay, now I'm going to cut the tops off right in the pan to make it easier. Yeah, more extra. Look at that.
Oh my. And we're going to eat this. We're making a cake salad over there. Oh my.
There we go. Now we're going to put a little bit of icing on the bottom of our board so that our cakes will stick to it. So now I want you both to take a little bit of icing with your spatula. Good. Just a little bit. There you go. Now put it onto the bottom. So try to use this side. Okay? You can hold it with the other hand. There you go. Put this right, be very careful, don't break it, right in the middle. Ready? There you go. So now we're going to take some icing and we're going to put it right on top so that we have icing in the middle of our cake. Okay, so I'm going to show you first.
Okay.
So let me show you.
That's a
Look.
lot.
Right? Just like that.
Okay.
And then we're going to spread it out a little bit so that the next layer will come on and we'll have icing in between our cakes. So Ali, we're going to do the same thing for you. Take some on your spatula. Oh, you got handed. Put a little bit more. Is he right-handed? Well, he's doing it with his left hand.
Oh, I got a lot. Dad.
Who wants to put sprinkles in their cake? All right, let's do it. These monsters are going to be sweet monsters.
Okay.
Let's put a little bit of sprinkles in the middle. They already look pretty colorful. Good job. Yeah. Ellie's turn? Yeah, spread it around. And now we're going to put our little tops on top of our cake here, just like that. You see that? You see that? Okay, so here, I'll give you this one.
And I'm going to take
Put it right in the middle. Good job. Now the next step is to cover this in icing. So these are going to be our monsters, okay?
Okay.
Now we're going to ice them. So here, I'll show you. You just take a little bit of icing like this. And you have to be very careful. We're going to hold the top of our monster, okay, very lightly. And we're just going to ice the sides so that it's covered in icing. It doesn't have to be covered a lot in icing because we're going to put more icing on top. It's called a crumb coat. Now we've all iced our cakes with our crumb coat, and we're going to put it in the fridge for about half an hour to let them set. Ready guys? Let's pick them up very carefully.
Okay, I got it.
Now our cakes are out of the fridge and are ready to ice our monsters. Ali's going to do it what color?
Blue.
Yeah, Icky.
Pink.
And I'm going to do mine green. So we're going to start. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we can do it on our own, okay?
Okay.
So let's see. So you put your icing bag right up into the cake here. And then you squeeze. And then you lift and you let it go. See, look how it looks like little grass or hair. So I'm going to go all the way around. Squeeze it and pull it. Squeeze it and pull it. Squeeze it and pull it. All the way around the cake. So now we're going to do Iqra's with this star tip. So you go right up to the cake on the side, okay? And you hold the bag right from the top. You push it right up to the cake. You squeeze a little bit, and then you pull up.
Oh, that looks really pretty.
Right? You squeeze and you pull up. Squeeze and pull up.
Okay. Squeeze, let go.
There you go.
Squeeze, let go.
Got it? So you go in. Right up to the cake, squeeze it, and you pull back. Squeeze it, and you pull back.
Squeeze, let go. Squeeze, let go. Squeeze, let go.
Now we're going to make all of our features for our monsters. Iqra is going to make, what are you going to make?
A bow and one eye.
Just one eye only. And Ali, what are you going to make for your monster?
Orange polka dot.
Yeah, let's do orange polka dots. And we'll have these eyes that are ready-made eyes, which are super handy. And we'll make a mouth with teeth, right?
And we're using these
Yeah, we're going to use these little circle cutters
for
for the eye and for the polka dot. And then for mine, I don't know yet. We'll see when we get there. Okay, so to start making the eye, let's roll out some slack fondant. We're going to use a rolling pin. Okay. Iqra? Good job.
Yes.
I love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to
Like, comment,
and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next week. Bye. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.